Welcome to LottoTech Hub. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Psiphon server for 2025 and how to use it with the HTTP Custom VPN app. This setup can help improve your online privacy and give you a more secure browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom. From the search results, open the official website. On the home page, tap the menu button in the top right corner. From the drop-down list, select Psiphon Server. This will take you to a page with available server locations. Tap the Create Psiphon button to generate a new server. Within a few seconds, your server will be ready. Once created, tap the Copy button to copy the Psiphon entry key to your clipboard. Step 2. Go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom. From the results, download and install the HTTP Custom VPN app. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, tick the checkbox next to Psiphon to enable the settings. Step 3. Tap the plugin icon at the top of the screen. From the list of protocols, select Psiphon Settings. For the protocol option, you can select one or choose all. For the region, pick any location you prefer. In the server entry field, paste the Psiphon key you copied earlier. Save the configuration and return to the home screen. Step 4. Tap the Connect button to start your VPN connection. It may take a few seconds to establish. And that's it. You've successfully created a Psiphon server and connected it through HTTP Custom VPN. This setup provides a safer and smoother browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video.